if you don't explain the why, sometimes well, I'm gonna say the majority of the time, because if you don't explain the why to me, I'm not gonna want to follow you. I'm not gonna want you to lead me because I feel like you're doing it intentionally. But if you have intentions, then it lets me know, okay, this is the reason why you're doing what you're doing. Let's move on to point number 7. Point number 7, develop a feedback loop. This right here, oh, I did my cat again. But this right here, this is hot right here, fam. The reason why it's hot is because you need to establish a system for regular feedback, such as surveys, such as interactive sessions, to understand your stakeholders' ongoing concerns and suggestions. One of the things that we used to do, and this is more for on site. So I'll give you an on site, meaning working on site as a project manager and working virtual as a project manager. So on site, what we used to do with our stakeholders to make it anonymous, I created a box and said, hey, put your some what I don't care, put your feedback, put your criticism, or put your suggestions in this box. Please do not put your name on it.